To create a Canvas ad on Facebook, follow these steps. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Ads Manager. Start a new campaign. Click on the Create button in Ads Manager to initiate a new ad campaign. Choose Campaign Objective. Select an objective that aligns with your advertising goals. Canvas ads work well for objectives like brand awareness, engagement, or traffic. Configure ad set. Define your target audience, placements, budget, and schedule in the ad set level. Ensure your targeting is specific to reach the right audience for your ad. Select Canvas ad format. In the Ad Creative section, choose the Canvas format. This will enable you to create an immersive full-screen experience for users. Create your Canvas. Facebook provides a variety of tools to build your Canvas ad. You can either choose a template or start from scratch. Add components. Customize your Canvas by adding components such as images, videos, text, buttons, and carousels. Experiment with different layouts and arrangements to make your Canvas engaging. Utilize interactive features. Take advantage of interactive features like tilt-to-pan images, carousel ads, and buttons to enhance user engagement within your Canvas. Include product sets. Optional if you're promoting products, you can include product sets within your Canvas ad to showcase specific items with images, descriptions, and pricing. Customize text and headlines. Craft compelling headlines and text to provide context, information, or calls to action within your Canvas ad. Preview your Canvas. Use the preview feature to see how your Canvas ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your ad looks visually appealing and functions smoothly. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your Canvas ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your Canvas ad in Ads Manager. Track metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and engagement to assess its effectiveness. Optimize for mobile. Canvas ads are designed for a mobile-first experience. Ensure that your content is optimized for mobile devices to provide a seamless user experience. Engage with users. Respond to comments and engage with users who interact with your Canvas ad. Encourage them to explore the interactive features and take the desired action. Coordinate with landing pages. Ensure that the landing pages or destination URLs align with the content of your Canvas ad. Consistency between the ad and the landing page enhances the user experience. Utilize video and image quality. Use high-quality images and videos within your Canvas ad for a visually appealing presentation. Clear and captivating visuals can significantly enhance user engagement. Utilize insights for optimization. Use Facebook Insights to gather data on user interactions with your Canvas ad. Analyze user behavior, click-through rates, and engagement to optimize future Canvas ads for better results. Canvas ads offer a highly engaging way to showcase your brand, products, or services on Facebook. By following these steps and continuously refining your strategy based on performance data, you can create effective and immersive Canvas ads that drive results. So that's it. See you soon.